Guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Technical Pop, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you that how you buy a ring from Aliexpress. So let's start our video. So first of all you have to install the Aliexpress application whether on your mobile phone or on your PC. After that you have to open the Aliexpress application and search here in the search box. Here I am writing here ring. After writing ring you have to search for ring and you see it basically different symbol are came in front of you. So here basically I am going to open this one. Here this is stop selling, first one. So here basically it is going to be opening. So open. Here 8 samples are available in this one. First one in front of you. Here another one, smile one. Here is another one. You can see it 100% real moissanite that can pass the diamond test. Support change S925 to 18K per other. Come with GRA 24 to 48 hours to send after successful payment excluding weekends and holidays. Can custom gold rose gold color or change stone color. PLS contact me. So here basically another sample. Here another one. Here 3 CD 9 mm, 2 CD 8 mm, 1 CD 6.5 mm, 0.5 CD 5 mm. Here is another one, and here is the seller recommendation. So here's SMI one, SMI GRA certified 1 to 5 CT moissanite ring VVS1 lab diamond solitaire ring for women engagement promise wedding band jewelry. So here basically 4.9 stars is also given and more than 2000 is already sold. So basically if we talk about the price of this one, then you see it PKR 3590 rupees. If we talk about the original price, then the original price is PKR 9670 rupees, but after 62% off you can buy it only in PKR 3590 rupees. Price shown before tax. Buy 2 pieces get 3% off, free shipping. 13 ring size, 5 metal color. So basically if we talk about the specifications, then you see it certificate no, item weight 3.6, is customized yes, side stone none, certificate number GRA certification, metal stamp 925 sterling, shape pattern round, setting type prong setting, style classic, model number SJZ40, ring type wedding brands, band occasion engagement, certificate type third party appraisal, metal type silver, main stone moissanite, gender woman, brand name SMEI YOUE, origin mainland China, fine or fashion, fine, item type rings, material 925 sterling silver plus VVS moissanite, main stone 0.5 to 5 CT, shape and cutting style round brilliant, cut color D color, clarity grade VVSI, cut grade excellent, include GRA certification yes, include ring box yes, pass a diamond test yes, shipping free shipping. So here basically delivery free shipping from China with AliExpress standard shipping, estimated delivery 41 days to Pakistan, service 75-day buyer protection. So here basically 610 reviews is given, out of which 74 is ring is beautiful, 28 is very nice, 18 is love it, 17 is quality is perfect, 14 is light is so good. So here a beautiful ring arrived before the scheduled date. I bought the ring 10 and it was very big, but it is beautiful and delivered even ahead of the promised time by 10 days. I love the ring chick gave. Its ring is very nice, it glow too much and the ring finishes are impeccable. The stone I order in 2CT. So basically if you have to buy this ring, then you see at the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on this buy now option for buying this ring. Thanks for watching this video.